So I've been fighting with this truck. I've had it now 8 years, seven years. And this carburetor is giving me nothing but fits. Real bad hesitation in it that I just can't eliminate. I've rebuilt the carb twice, new power valves, different size power valves, different size jets, different size accelerator pumps. Tried everything. I even moved the timing. Hell, this thing, I think I'm set at like 20 degrees right now, and without the vacuum advance, and it's still got this bad hesitation. But anyhow, bring it up a little bit. You hear that? Hear how it dies? Now, if you stab it real quick, it still doesn't. I'm done messing with it. This thing right here has been aggravating me for 7 years. And it's time for it to go bye-bye. Now don't laugh at my shop, it's a bloody mess. This is what happens when you work out here in the winter. But the one that's on it is a 650. This is a 750. 390. It needs a little bit more carb anyhow, so let's see if it works. All right. Maybe a little bit of tuning here. Back that idle down a little bit. Still got that little bit of hesitation there. Take it for a ride, see how it goes. Down here at the hard road. Didn't want to go goosing on it coming down the dirt road. No need pissing off the neighbors. So, and I don't pull out in front of trucks, so we want him to go. But from what I can tell, we got rid of that park throttle hesitation. So here we go. No hesitation. Oh, good. Changing gears without any hesitation. It's good. wasn't expecting to work straight out of the box, which it did quite well straight out of the box, but needed a little bit of tweaking, checking for leaks and everything. But just took it in town, got some gas. I'm sitting here at temp, about 200 degrees. Idling just fine there at about 500. But taking off is so smooth now, no more hesitation, falling on its face. Pull that here in second gear. Here I can just spun a little bit, we're on dirt road. I can just ease into it. There it is, broke traction again on the dirt. It's not a race truck, so I'm not expecting it to be. It is a little torque monster. Man, this thing, it's like driving a whole new truck. Man, you can step on the throttle and smooth. No more coughing and banging. No more embarrassing the hell out of me because it's got loud pipes on it. Every time it would cough and hiccup and sputter, everybody in the county heard it. So that's that. Still want to pull the 390 out though and build a 347 to put in here. At least for now, the old 390's working good. Oh, and I don't think I'm going to have to rejet it. It is a little fat, I think, but I'm not seeing any black smoke whenever I run it wide open. Secondaries kick in, there's no black smoke or anything, so yeah, here's where it used to really give me trouble. I'm in third gear, about 1500. Now I can just ease into it and it just takes right off. Where before it would have just went fell on its face and then took off and bumped it. Made it sound like it was wide open. It was just embarrassing. Aggravating too. Especially when you're on a windy road like coming down 87 from Bozeman, or 84, going through the canyon where you're constantly letting off, getting back into it, letting off, getting back into it. Every damn time you go to come out of a turn, it would just bleh. I don't think it's doing that anymore. So all that aggravation the time I've owned this thing. All it took was, get this, going to Amazon and ordering a new Holley carburetor for it, which they were cheaper than Summit. Got that 750. It's a Holley 4160 vacuum secondary, which this thing don't need a double pumper. Those things are overrated for street use anyhow, unless you're cammed all to dork. You got the gears to use a carburetor like that, the engine's built for it. A double pumper got no business being on an engine like this. So just went with a 4160 square bore vacuum secondary 750 CFM, and pretty much right out of the box, just a little bit of adjustment of the floats. They were a little high but not dangerous. Idle air mixture, a little bit of adjustment on that. Accelerator pumps and everything are set perfect right out of the box, so didn't need to set that. Then just playing with the idle, getting it to idle, because it did shut off on me when I got to the gas station. I know you guys probably think blah 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 blah, it's just an old ratty Ford. But you know what, if you knew the trouble I've had with this damn thing, trying to get it to run right, you know why I'm a little happy right now. So, back to the castle. Now I gotta work with that big bitch before I go get my next load of potatoes. Yeah, happy, joy. It don't fit in the garage. Gotta work on it outside. It's cold. It's May, what, 22nd? May 22nd, man, and it's damn 40 degrees, windy, miserable. Alright, bye. Oh, and the last thing, that's the next project I got to get running. It's my F-250. Hell with them damn new trucks. I like this old stuff.